Hi guys, this is Leah. Now let me show you the amazing sublimation items that could be used as kitchenware, such as bottle opener, can cooler, bar mat, fruit sticker, glass cutting board, aprons, and baking set, coaster, and placemats, which are all kitchen essentials. As summer is coming, more and more people like to stay at home to have a drink with their friends. So first, I would like to recommend the bottle opener. We can use this to open kinds of beverages. There are 3 shapes total: duck-tag shape, wine shape, and a rectangle shape. Each shape with 2 sizes, large and small, made of stainless steel for its long-term use. So you can put any image you like to make your drinking time more wonderful. Can cooler is also a very important item when you want to get a cold drink in summer. It can help to keep the cold temperature for a long time and will protect our hands from a very cold drink when holding it. We developed 3 types. The first one is the Neoprene Can Cooler. It is the most hot-selling in market with a normal white color. Innovative neo green and pink are also worth a try. Second one is the linen material. With base or without base are all available for choice. The third one is the stainless steel. It is our newest launch. It can fit the 12-ounce and 350 milliliters standard cups. When it refers to drinking, the bar mat is also necessary for us to put lots of beverages on the table. With long sleeve rubber edge, size for 44 by 25 centimeters, middle printing part for 100% polyester. It is great for home decoration when the vivid image be printed on. In kitchen, cutting board is also essential when you need to cut foods. Yes, you can even DIY your cutting board through sublimation, and you can put any image you like on to make your kitchen more colorful. Glass cutting board is very hot-selling in us with its clear surface, and there are rectangle, round, and wine shape. The surface with texture or glossy for your choice. The difference between texture and glossy is that what we sell best is the rectangle 20 by 28 centimeters, 39 by 820.5 centimeters, and wine shape 36 by 19 centimeters. All the texture and glossy pattern are all very popular all over the world. Next item is the apron. As we all know, in hot epidemic time, most people would like to stay at home instead of going out, so they would prefer to spend time at the kitchen to make delicious food for their families or friends. Then we must have thought of the apron to keep clean when cooking. We have not only the body apron but also waist apron. For a body apron, one of our star items is the most typical, made of high-quality 100% linen, and it is also the best sellable in market. And recently, we just launched a new type, the linen apron with black edge and strip, 84 by 64 centimeters. For waist apron, it is more likely to be used in the service industry, so we keep developing lots of items to meet more customers' demands. It is with variety materials, fox, cotton, and canvas. They are all in good market feedback. At the same time, most people would like to bake in their spare time. Then the baking set is a must to prevent our hands from getting hot by high temperature. Our newest launch black rubber oven mitt and pot holder with long sleeve, heat-resistant silicone, more stable and safe when taking out the foods. Total 2 types. One is linen baking set with black rubber. Front, middle, and whole back are all made of linen, so they could all be printed. And the linen apron with black edge we just talked about could be a new kitchen series with these 2 items. Another is the canvas baking set with black rubber, middle printing part for canvas and back for heat-resistant cotton inside. It will make us fulfill expectation when we see the oven mitt, pot holder, even apron are all be printed in the similar image as a set in kitchen. After hot dishes be done, we need to place them on the table. Then we will need the placemat to protect our table won't be burned. Our linen placemat is durable, good function to resist high temperature, with two common sizes 20 by 28 cm, 30 by 40 cm. Another natural wood material placemat is also great for home decoration because of its special wooden texture on the surface. Next is coaster. Coaster is also very important in home decoration cereals. We can put it anywhere, such as the dining table, balcony table, etc. to place our mugs. And we can also use it to distinguish our cups when the coasters be printed image in our own style. The new material Burlap Coaster is our newest launch, size for 4 inches, shaped with round and square. The print effect is perfect as we have tested many times, and the most outstanding feature is its vintage style itself. If you prefer this style when decorating your home, don't miss it. Other popular material like sandstone car coaster and MDF coaster, all with kinds of shapes for you to pick. At last, let's talk about fridge stickers. It is also a very interesting stuff in the kitchen cereals. Most people would like to stick it on the fridge outside, and we can print some notes to remind ourselves or family members to do the routine things in our daily life, and we can also print idle pictures, scenery you loved, and so on. There are two materials more popular. First is the MDF fridge sticker with multiple shapes, rectangle, round, square, heart, and etc. Also many sizes for choice. Second one is the metal fridge sticker with extra aluminum insert. After it be printed, just stick it on the middle part is okay. Also with round, heart, and square shape. When you stick the fridge sticker on the fridge, that will definitely make your life more cute. There are a lot of sublimation items that could be used in kitchen, and most of them can not only be sold individually but also be sold as a set, such as the apron with baking set, placemat with the coasters. Above all, as we can image, when we print meaningful pictures on all these items and use them every day, that must be a lovely and warm kitchen, so will your home. Okay, that's all for today. And in the meantime, we also have a video talk about different sublimation items that could be used in the living room and bedroom decoration. If you are interested, just click the link below and you will get more. Let's come with us to enrich our kitchen, our home, and to make our life memorable together.